Today we are looking at a Spee-Dee volumetric packager. This is a model BR324. It's in excellent condition. It's been checked over. Everything's been tested. It's in good condition. This unit uses rotating cups or cylinders to pack packages volumetrically. This is a pretty accurate way of bagging things like popcorn, plastic granules, any kind of specialized product. These really excel at. This unit is powered by single phase, 110 volts, plugs into a wall outlet, runs off of a 1/3 horsepower motor. The bearings have been checked, belts have been checked. This unit has been thoroughly test ran. The top brush there is in good shape. It has good bristles. The planing brush, the brush that levels off each cup as it turns, is in good shape as well. This unit has seen very little use. It also comes with these extra spouts. Makes it easy to put your product into any size bag. This is where the product is discharged. We're going to fire this unit up for you so you can see it work. You can see down inside of the hopper. It's in good shape. Everything on this unit works as it should. Now, these cylinders can be bought from Spee-Dee Packaging. I called them. They can make any size cylinder for this unit. So you can bag smaller quantities or more depending on the height of your cylinder. The cylinders can be bought from Spee-Dee. Just looking at the unit, it's in good shape. Now we're going to fire it up so you can see it run. All right, we've got the unit plugged into power. Just hit the on switch here. Fires right up. This will turn here in a few seconds. There's a slight delay in between each rotation, so that gives you ample time to put another bag onto the spout and then send it down the line. Now, the speed of the rotation can be sped up by turning this knob here. That changes the ratio of the pulley, and it spins the gearbox faster. You can see that the rate of the cylinders turning has increased. It's sped up. I can adjust it more. That makes it run a little faster. You can see that it's turning a lot faster. If you can't keep up with the cylinders, you can always turn this off in between rotations. Put your bag on, then turn it on, and it will fill that bag. Or this can be set up with a simple foot pedal that you plug the main plug into, and then you plug the foot pedal into the wall outlet. Then it would just be as simple as stepping on the foot pedal. This would fire up, it would rotate, then you'd let off of it and the motor would shut down. It could be set up either way. It's a really versatile machine. It's an all-around nice unit. Comes right along, works as it should. We ran this unit for about an hour just to make sure everything functioned properly. It's a really nice unit. Again, we can speed up the rotation or slow it down by turning this knob here. Bearings have been checked. All of the wear components are in good shape. This unit has a lot of life left in it. It would make an excellent addition to any popcorn operation or any specialized operation. This packager and other bagging equipment can be bought through us here at Commodity Traders International. We sell a wide variety of seed, feed, and milling machinery. Thank you for watching.